guys, it has been a while since I brought you guys a book haul. Now, as you guys know, I love thrifting for books, but I've kind of slowed down in a little bit because a lot of them are ones that already have, or I've just been getting a little bit more pickier at my books, or I just don't go shopping as much. I really hate leaving my house. I really hate leaving my house. So, but I'm here to share with you guys all the books that I have gotten since I have made a video, which was like around Christmas time. So if you guys know, I joined a club called Book of the Month. I am really enjoying that. I've actually gotten 2 books already from Book of the Month. I got a really good deal. I think I made a TikTok video for those. I forgot to grab them, but one book was called Phantasma, and I absolutely loved that book. I paid $5 for that book, and then you like gotta join a 3-month commitment, and then I ended up getting First Time Callers, which I will be starting that in the next couple of days. So that's what I got. I just forgot to grab them, but I'm just gonna share with you guys books that I've gotten from thrifting. I've gotten at at bargain stores. I've gotten some at like a second, like small business of thrift books, whatever. So I'm just gonna get digging with you guys, and I have a lot. I have a lot of books. So the first thing I'm gonna tell with you guys, if you did not know this, that Barnes & Noble has a $5 book deal. My books keep falling over. They have a $5 book deal. So every 2 months, so today is March 1st, I went to Barnes & Noble, and it was like this tiny little book about a cat. It didn't interest me. I was gonna make a video for it, but there was way too many people in the store, so I didn't film it. But they have a book of the book every 2 months. This is the book that I got for January and February. So what you do is you go to the Starbucks in Barnes & Noble, and they have it right on the counter that you can get a book for $5 when you purchase anything on the Starbucks menu. So I ended up trying a new Frappuccino drink, and I got this book, and this was with the sprayed edges. And this is a YA book, but I fell in love with this book. I read it. I read it this summer, but I've never read a YA book so fast in my life, but this is called Better Than the Movies. So I was super excited to get it. Graham's like, well, you already read the book. I'm like, yes, but I absolutely loved it, and I love the sprayed edges, but for $5 you couldn't pass it up. So I got this book for $5. Then I went to a St. Vinny's store a couple weeks ago, and I was just looking, and I found Butcher and a Blackbird. Now I have read this one. This one I got for $2.79. When I was checking out, the cashier, she was like kind of sad. So I don't know if she just didn't know that was in the pile. Like, I don't know. But I says, if you haven't read this book, it's really good. I'm actually going to start reading the second one in the next week or so. But I am super loving this series. So I'm like, okay, so now since I have this one, I'm on the hunt to thrift store find the second one. The third one just came out, but I am so excited for the second one because I've heard it's even better than this one. So $2.79 for that one. Then these all have a story. All my books have a story. Today I went to Goodwill. Now Goodwill has been on my list where they're kind of pricey. They've gotten expensive. I mean, they went up to like $6 for a used book. And I'm just like, just sell them for like $2, $3 a piece. People will buy them for $2 or $3 a piece or 99 cents. Stop jacking them up. Like, I feel like they get enough money and they can sell through their stuff more often if they lower it. But I saw this, you guys. I saw this. I found Haunting Adeline. I read this series maybe 2, almost 3 years ago. I saw it and I had to snatch it up. And the reason why is because there was no price on it. So that means it was $1.99. And I love the feel of this book. I absolutely love the feel of it. So I'm like, I have to get it. It's kind of what you call, like, these books are called trophies. If you really like the book, you kind of make them a trophy, and I'm actually going to start working on getting a bookshelf, so when I get that, I will share with you guys. And I'm like, oh, I'm so happy it was number 1. I'm so happy. Then I found number 2. These are big books. These are big books. The second one was good, but I felt like this one, I read through it so much faster than this one, but I had to get it. For $2 a piece, I had to get it, so I am pretty excited for Haunting Adeline. So got those today. Then for my book club, I ended up getting a $10 gift card for a we went for book club. We ended up exchanging gifts, and somebody gave me a $10 gift card. Well, a couple weeks ago, I went to this adult book fair, which I was super excited for, and this local used bookstore was there. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna see if I can use my gift card while I'm there. And they're like, no, you can't use your gift card, but here is a coupon. So they ended up giving me a coupon for 5 off of 25 to use at their physical location. So I'm like, sweet. So then today I decided, because I went to go see Fraggle Rock, I decided I'm going to go to that bookstore because it's way on the other side of town. I'm going to use that gift card. I'm going to use that. But when I was at the adult book fair, I did buy one book because I wanted to like support, you know, I wanted to buy something while I was there, and I ended up buying this book. Now this is L. Kennedy, The Deal. I've read this book. This is a top 10 book. This is a book that's in my top 10. If I could read these, I wish I could read this book all over again. I wish I could read this all over again. So they wanted $8.99 for this book, and I thought, okay, I'm just gonna get it. I didn't like, you know, get a great deal on it, but again, I got it cheaper than what they wanted for it. Usually it's $16.99. So this is a book if you guys need like a romance. It's a college romance book. I wish I could read this all over again. So I bought that, and then I ended up getting that coupon. So then today I went to that bookstore, and I'm like, okay, spend 25, and then I have a $10 gift card, so I will only pay like 15 bucks out of pocket. So I'm like, that's okay. Saw this one. This one is My Vampire Plus One. I read the first one back in, was it October? I read the first one in October, and I zoomed through that so fast. I absolutely loved the first one, and I'm like, okay, so here is the second one. So this one was $7.99, but again, I had that I got 5 off of 25, and then I had a $10 gift card, so I didn't pay that much. It's like $5, less than $5, but I was super excited for this book because I just passed through that one so fast. So I'm like, sweet, I am so excited. I'm so excited to read that one. Then I have Travis. I needed to spend like a couple more dollars to get my $5 off coupon. So I ended up getting Travis. Now, this author is Mia Sheridan. She wrote Archer's Voice, and if you guys really need a love book, a book that you will cry to, I definitely recommend Archer's Voice. We're actually reading that for book club. I read it. That again is one of my top 10 books. This has one of the characters in that book, so I'm like, okay, we're gonna read it. So once I read Archer's Voice again, I'm gonna read this book shortly after that, but I just love the feel of this. So this one was $7.99 also, so I wasn't like super happy about it, but I really love her books. I've read a couple of her books, and I absolutely love it. Here we have a book of the month book. I was thinking of getting this when I joined book of the month, because this was one of the options, but when you first join, you can choose any book from that or the past. So I just chose one from the past because that was one I really wanted to read. But I heard so many good things about this one. It's called The Most Wonderful Crime of the Year, and I'm like, ooh, it's a Christmas book. I love reading Christmas books. At Christmas time, I only read Christmas books, so I'm actually gonna save this for Christmas. I am thinking of maybe doing a Christmas book once a month, just because there's so many that I want to read. But this one was a cool one. This one was $9.99, and I thought, I'm getting it because it's like in perfect condition. I think the person literally read it once and then sold it, but I'm pretty happy with it. So again, it was $9.99, but again, I had that coupon, so I used that. And then I grabbed, so I had the Christmas book and the vampire book, and then I had this. This is the Babysitter's Club book 2, which Charlotte did not have this one. About a year ago, I found 18 books at Goodwill of all of the Babysitter Club and Little Sister books, so I got them for her. So now my goal is to finish the collection for her, and she didn't have number 2. So I'm like, sweet, I'm gonna get it for her. So this one was $6.99. I wish I actually put this one back. I wish I did put it back, but I wasn't thinking straight because I had to go see Fraggle Rock. But I ended up getting this for her collection, and I really like these kind of books. Like, I'm actually kind of want to read them myself. So hold on, honey. So I got this for her because she is starting to read, and I feel like she's really gonna like these kind of books. Yes. But got this for $6.99. So I paid 19 bucks total for those 4 books, which it was okay. It's a local place. They sell used books. You can sell your used books there. So we got that. Then one day I went to a St. Vincent's and I found this book for Ben. I think this was $1.99. My kid peeled the sticker off, but it's like brand new. I don't even think like the kid even read it because like it still cracks when you open it. This is the book right here. So I got this for Ben because he collects all these books, and for $1.99 you can't pass it up. And I thought this book has like no wear and tear. It's brand new. It even has the poster in it that you can pull out and stuff. So I got this for Ben for his little book collection because he likes those kind of books. Then a couple weeks ago we went to a store called Ollie's. Now if you guys are you don't know what Ollie's is. Ollie's is a bargain store. They're known for selling like dead stock, but they have a great book selection. Like they have like 5 aisles of books. So if you guys ever need some books, check it out. I actually got a couple books there last when we were there right before Christmas. I can't remember what ones I got. I got like 2 or 3 of them last year, but I absolutely loved it. So there was a new store that opened an hour away from us, and the husband, I'm like, Graham, can we go? He's like, yes. Because I'm like, let's see what they got. So I was really on a hunt for the Barbarians books. Now they actually have 2. They have Barbarians Mate, and then they had another one. I've read both of these, but I'm like, I just kind of want to get one of her books anyways, just as kind of like a trophy. I've read 17 of her books, and I absolutely love it. It's Ice Planet Barbarians is the first book, but I absolutely breeze through these. Like, these are such fast reads. I love it. So this one was marked $3.99. $3.99, and I now, as I regret it, I'm like, I'm gonna regret not getting the second one. And now I regret not getting it. Like, I regretted it the minute we walked out the door. But I'm like, that's okay. That's okay. We'll go back to one. But I could not pass up this for $3.99. Now, when we went to one before Christmas, I really wanted to get a Virgin River book. Now, I am not the type of person where I try not to buy the entire series of a series that I know is not going to be something that I like. So they had like 4 different books of these, and I'm like, you know what? We're just going to get the first one. We are going to get the first one of Virgin River. I love this series on Netflix so much. So I'm like, we're going to get it. They didn't have book 2. They had like book 4, 6, 7. Like, they didn't have them in order, and I'm like, I could be on a hunt to find them, but we're just going to get number 1. And I'm just gonna read this like when we go on vacation. I think this is a perfect read to read in the car. But this was $2.99, so I could not pass up starting a Virgin River book to see how it compares to the show. Then I saw a Tessa Bailey book, and I absolutely love her. I've read a couple of her books. A lot of her books are on my wish list. I really want to read more, but I'm reading as fast as I can. I'm already at 50 books for the year, and it's only March 1st. So I'm reading them as fast as I can. But I ended up getting this one, Too Beautiful to Break. This one was $3.99. So I have to see if this one is in a series or not to see if I have to read another one or not. But $3.99. You can't pass up these books. You cannot pass these books up. And I love, like, they're nice, big. Actually, this is this, it looks like it's large print. I mean, the print is big on this one, but could not pass it up. And I actually have a couple of her books, so I was excited to add that to my collection. Then I found these ones. I know this is a series. I gotta look into it more. But this is Kennedy Ryan. I have never read her books before, but look at it. It even has a Target sticker on it. A Target sticker. But I've heard such good things about these, so I'm like, we're gonna get them. We're gonna get them. They were $3.99. One of them is when... Okay. One of them is when... It's called When You Are Mine, and the other one is Be Mine Forever. So I have to see what one is what. I don't know if they show it in Be Mine. Okay, so it's... Did I get two different book series? Did I get two different book series? Because one of them kind of shows her books and stuff. Be Mine Forever. Don't know. I don't know, but super excited to get these for $3.99. So I'm just kind of just adding up to my pile. I love it. I love borrowing I always love borrowing books to my friends. As long as I take care of them, that's what I am here. But that is everything that I have gotten in the last 2 months, 3 months. Yeah. So today's March 1st, so about 2.5 months, give or take, is when I've been getting it. But if you guys love it, I'm trying to share with you guys all the thrift books that I can find, and then just books in general, because I am totally obsessed. I actually got a book journal. I ended up buying one. Today I actually bought a blank journal. So I'm going to make my own for 2026. I just did not have enough time to make one for this year, and I'm like, we're gonna buy one so I can kind of get some inspiration. But I absolutely love it. It was a little bit pricey, but you know, I'm cheap, so next year we're gonna go a little bit cheaper. But I mean, you get to keep track of all the, I mean, I want to do a lot of this stuff. Like, it asked me like what are my favorite books that I read, and then I turn it into like a battle of the books. And then I also get to make little books for my book and all that stuff. So this is something that I am super excited for. So if you guys want to see me fill that out, I would follow me on TikTok or Instagram, because you guys can see all that stuff. But yes, that is everything that I have. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time for another book haul. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.